Hi guys, welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to recover deleted drafts of Instagram story. To start the process, open your Instagram application in your mobile device. Then go to your profile. Now tap on menu on your top right. Here, tap on settings. Now search here, download your information. Then tap on connected experience. After that, tap on request a download to continue. Here tap on complete copy. After that, tap on format. Here you need to select HTML format. Then select the high media quality. Now select the data range to last year. After that, tap on submit request. This is how you can recover deleted drafts of Instagram stories. Thanks for watching and please leave a like, subscribe and share.